Consider matrix A, which is equal to, let's say, 2 1 2 3 4 1 5 1 2, and matrix B equal to 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 2 1. Let us find out determinant of A, determinant of B, A inverse, B inverse, AB and BA. Now in your calculator you go to mode 6, that is matrix. You want to insert matrix A, so press 1. The given matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix, so you select 3 by 3 by pressing 1. Now insert the matrix 2 1 2 3 4 1 5 1 2. When you press equal to after inserting 2, you will see the 2 appears here. After that, press AC. You will find a 0. Now we need to go to the matrix memory by pressing shift and 4, that is the matrix memory. This opens up the matrix memory. Now in order to find determinant of A, we press 7, that is determinant. Again go to the matrix memory by pressing shift and 4 and press 3, that is determinant of matrix A, and press equal to. This is the value of matrix A. Now to insert matrix B, if we go back to mode 6 of the calculator and insert matrix B, you will find that matrix A is missing, and if you perform any of the operations on matrix A, it will give a dimension error. Hence, in order to insert matrix B, we press shift, go to the matrix memory by pressing 4 and select 1, that is dimension. In this we want to insert matrix B, so press 2, insert the type of matrix. RB is a 3 by 3 matrix, so we press 1. Now insert the other matrix, that is 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 2 and 1. 1 appears over here, press AC, you will find a 0. Now in order to find determinant of B, press shift, go to the matrix memory 4, press 7, again shift and 4, and determinant of matrix B, that 4. This will give the value of determinant of matrix B, that is minus 12. Now to find inverse of a matrix, go to shift 4, press 3 to find inverse of matrix 3, and just press this button X inverse. This gives you the inverse of matrix A. Similarly, you can do it for matrix B. Now for the multiplication of two matrices, you go to the matrix memory by pressing shift and 4, press 3, that is matrix A, into shift 4, that is matrix B, and press equal to. This will give you the value of multiplication of two matrices.